it's Arlen Schweiger, Executive Editor of CE Pro. Today we have Jennifer Kirkpatrick, National Sales Manager, Residential Lighting for Proluxe by American Lighting. Jennifer, thanks for joining me to talk about the company's CEDIA Expo plans.
Oh, well, thank you. We're very excited about CEDIA coming up. It's going to be our second year, so I'm sure there's going to be a big turnout and a lot of excitement.
Yeah, we hope so too. And so Jennifer, for integrators who might be unfamiliar with the company, since you are still pretty new to the Expo and to the channel, what can you tell us about Proluxe and why it's a good fit for our channel integrators?
Yeah, I think we all know that lighting has become a really big part of the integration market. And American Lighting, who's been in business for the last 30 years, has always been the experts in linear lighting. So we find that it's a great fit for integrators because our products are low voltage. They're controlled through DMX, which can be integrated with any control company out there. So, our goal is to make it easy for integrators to integrate our products into control systems. And for the last 2 years, we've been very successful in educating integrators on how to get into the lighting industry.
Excellent. And where is the company based?
We're based here in Denver, Colorado. So pretty centralized. Everyone loves our quick ship times. We have 7 months worth of stock. So pretty central location to ship out of.
Absolutely. We certainly love it when the CEDIA Expo is held in Denver. This year, of course, it's in Indianapolis. And so, Jennifer, on the show floor, what is Proluxe really excited to have in their booth this year in terms of new products and features?
So like I mentioned, we're fairly new to the integration market. So for the last 2 years, we've developed a lot of products that are specific to high-end residential, and we're very excited to introduce some of our spec grade linear products. So that's going to include things like wall grazing and wall washers and pixel products, which means that you can individually address diodes. So integrators love the fact that we are getting very technical. We know the jargon, and we also have people that will be there to explain to the integrator how to install all these great products.
What does Prolux have in terms of any education sessions, presentations, trainings, events, or any kind of specials on product that you'll have at the expo?
For the last year, we've developed a great educational program for our integrators. We are trying to make it as easy as possible to get into the channel. So we help them from specifying the product to quoting it to wiring diagrams. We even offer free layout services so that people feel free to send in their floor plans. We make recommendations. And then we have internal support to help with integration and control options and designated salespeople that work with integrators on a daily basis on all the projects they have coming up. So at this point, we know that everybody's learning. So we want to make it as easy as possible to start getting into this new category.
Perfect. And we know that those design services, when it comes to lighting, certainly make a huge impact and are a great reason for an integrator to really be connected to the supplier. Obviously, integrators, I imagine, will have a number of questions when they go through the Prolux booth. First of all, remind us which booth number it is, and then if there's one question you think in particular that integrators should be asking about when they visit you guys, what would you suggest there?
Yeah, so we'll be at booth 3340, and we're going to be right next to the smart stage. We're very excited to see people come through. We are a little island booth. And the one question that integrators should be asking when they walk into the booth is, how do I get my hands on samples so that I have things to take out into the field and show my customers? And we'll be able to show you our demo bag. Plus, we are launching our new lookbook, which basically is an inspiration guide as well as education on when and where to use certain lighting products that can either be given away to customers or used internally for training. So we're very excited to present that because I think the one thing that a lot of integrators are missing right now is maybe the experience and the know-how on where and when these products should be used.
Yeah, absolutely. And certainly the more information to arm them with, the better. So we know how important demos are for the lighting experience. It's just, a mammoth one that we've covered here on CE Pro with really helping integrators close those sales. So that's definitely an important question for them. So on that note, Jennifer from Prolux by American Lighting, thank you so much for telling us about CEDIA Expo, and we look forward to seeing you guys there.
All right, thank you so much. We're excited as well.